Hey, Sam here, and welcome to this demo video of Designo. Now, what you see on your screen is not actually the Designo software. This is Adobe Illustrator. Now, I wanted to show you this because Designo is a new cloud-based software, online-based software that helps you design vector images, or help you design things that you can export and use online, or even build them into unlimited scalable up images so you can use it for illustration and things. Now, the reason why I'm showing you Illustrator is because I just want to show you just quickly how complicated like some of the stuff is in here. Now, this is a software that costs me about $80 a month just to subscribe and use. Now, typically I can use this to do my own sorts of creations, but I can tell you 9 times out of 10 I use a designer, and I pay designers either over Fiverr. We've got some in-house guys that we use as well, and it does cost me hundreds of dollars every single month. Now, that is because we do produce some pretty intense stuff, but for you, you probably don't want to be spending $500 to $1,000 to $2,000 a month on design work, or you probably do not know how to use all of this sort of stuff. Look on the left, I can't even tell you where to start with a lot of these tools and things like that to be able to start building a vector image in Illustrator. So if you want to be able to create templates and vector images, either scalable vectors like the SVG style format, or PNGs and things like that, then this is the software for you. It's dead simple. Here we are in the dashboard. All we have to do is select the category of something we want to make. As you can see, a whole bunch of categories, Facebook posts, buttons, promotions, posters, all sorts of things. So let's just jump into Facebook cover photos. Now, once we select that, we got a whole bunch of templates. Now, these are pre-built in the size that you need to be able to create a Facebook cover photo. So all we have to do is select a template, and we've got one here, and it's as easy as just quickly selecting this and writing in demo video content. We just start, it's as easy as just selecting things and editing the content to fit your business. You can also swap out the colors. Down here on the right, you can choose a whole bunch of different colors, fully customize it to how you want. And if we go here on the left on the tools, there is like different color boxes and things we could drag in. We just press delete to get rid of that. Something as well, you can add in different more text, so more text, and it keeps a lot of it within the theme as well. But something I am actually really impressed with compared to even Photoshop is when we click on the shape icon, there is a ton of shapes. I've noticed that when I've been using Photoshop recently, it's hard to find a huge array of different shapes that we can use within our design. So here we go, we got a tree here, so we can put a tree in, we can make that green, and we can drag that around and move it. Okay, now this is quite dead simple to use. We can add an imagery as well by just clicking the plus button here. We can add in an image, and this is actually a vector image of my logo as well, and I've lost it up in the dark, so I use the arrow buttons to move it around. So you can add in imagery as well, like from your computer to put on. So you can add in logos, full-blown images, and just start designing yourself within the software. Now, with this, there are things you can tweak as well. You can adjust the stroke, which is the outline around the image, the color of the stroke too. So there's a whole bunch of nice little design things you can do. You can start creating a beautiful and well presented graphic right within this software. So if you're currently trying to design things in various programs and you're having trouble doing that, or if you're spending a lot of money on designers and you want to give it a go, I couldn't recommend a better software to try it out today, because Designo actually is so easy to use. I picked it up and started playing with it straight away, and started producing some alright looking stuff. I mean, what's on the screen might not be the best example, but it's just showing you the power of some of the stuff you can do. Now, also with this, it's the perfect base to be able to get a software to be able to even provide services to local businesses. If you're a social media consultant, you can create cover photos and stuff quickly and easy and make them all nice and beautiful. The software includes a whole bunch of training videos, step by step, tell you how to get through this as well. You can edit things and adjust the order and everything just like that. So with this, once we're done, all we have to do is click on project. We can save it as a project, as its own project, or we can export it as a PNG, SVG, and use it on our Facebook pages or whatever we need online. So this is Sam. Hope you enjoyed this demo, and we'll talk again soon.